Scientists may have found a new bird species, but maybe not in the way you think. There are 3 types of Steller's jay, each found in distinct regions of North America: the coast, interior, and Rocky Mountains. They differ in size, plumage color, and head pattern. In a new study, researchers studied birds from across the species range. They found substantial differences in the morphology, genetics, and ecological role of each type. DNA evidence suggested one of the types from the Rocky Mountains diverged from the 2 others about 4.3 million years ago, which is strong evidence they represent a distinct species. So you might be expanding your bird list soon.